Which method would you use to solve the following? Would you use A or B? So first, whether A or B, we're going to change the mixed numbers to improper fractions. Next, manually or with your calculator, you're going to multiply across. And again, manually or with your calculator, you're going to divide. And that gives us 3.5. And since it's a fraction, we will say 3.5. Now B, we have already changed the mixed number to improper fraction. So now we're going to cancel. This is 1 time and this is 3 times. This is 7 times and this is 6 times. This is 1 time and this is 2 times. Equals 7 over 2, which is 3.5. I choose B. What do you choose? Let me know in the